Hi there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to add an additional language to your Windows 10 machine. Hope you find this guide useful. If you do, please help me out by subscribing to my channel. Okay, so down the bottom right you can see you've got the characters there, E and G. So if I just left click on there, you can see here the English United Kingdom is my default language that I'm using on this machine. You can see here the United States English is also available. But if you wanted to install another language, just left click on here, Language Preferences. So here it shows you the languages that are installed that I just showed you. If you wanted to add an additional one, just click on here. And if you just select any one, I'm going to select Chinese Traditional. Okay, so there's 3 different flavors, so just select the one that you want. So I'm going to select this one. We can see here now it's adding it. It needs to download it from the internet and install it. So that should take a couple of minutes. Okay, we can see now it's searching Windows Update, so it's just going to download it and install it. Okay, looks like it's finished downloading. So if we just left click on it and click on Set as Default, you can also change the language by using the menu here. So just left click. Okay, the language is now activated, but we need to download a language pack as it says here. So if you just click on Options, and then here, if you just click on Download a language pack, with this language you also need handwriting, so you need to do gestures to type words. We need to download that as well. And if you want to use speech as well, we'll need to download that one. I'm going to leave that one off for the moment. Okay, the Chinese traditional language is now activated on the machine. If you've got any questions on this process, please post them in a comment below and I'll help you out. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.